you have planned? Let's come back here.
Alright, y'all. This is the Boracay beach walk. Now, I'm good, bro. I want y'all to count how many times I'm solicited for stuff while I'm walking. That's already 3. In what, 30 seconds? That's already 3. Hope I don't get no copyright strike for none of this damn music that they playing. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Good.
All right.
So what's on tomorrow?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Because they have my own boat, and then they have also like parasailing, jet ski, or
Oh, okay.
else. A lot. Because they have also the lantern.
Oh, okay.
And then also island hopping is different island.
Yeah.
So just if you decide tomorrow.
Yeah. If I decide, man, I'm gonna come holler at you.
Yes,
All right, man. That's the 4th. It's about the only negative I could say so far on this trip to Boracay is the solicitation is just crazy, but it's still not as worse as Bangkok. That was worse. But here, hey, you know, I'll just politely decline and keep it pushing. Can't knock nobody hustle, man, you know. Shit. This is, I'm not sure what station this is, but I'm not sure what station this is, but we on White Sand Beach right now. So I'm taking y'all on a tour with me. I will come right back, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Currency exchange. Now we're back. A lot of people out here. I'm good, bro. Thank you.
Lantor, Boracay Lantor.
Pwede naman siya magpunta sa next
7-Eleven. What up, everybody? As you can see, my tan is popping around this camp, man. Once again, I'm in Boracay, man. I'm about to take y'all on a little stroll so y'all can see, you feel me, exactly what I'm seeing through the first person point of view. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button below so you can be the first to know and help the channel grow. I got way more shit to come. Let's go. Got all kind of bars and hotels all along this. Stay hydrated, my friends. I'm good, bro. Find me a souvenir shop. See what all they got. All my friends and family at home that's watching this. You know I like to buy y'all stuff whenever I go somewhere. All these souvenirs. Oh man, I know I'm about to get a copyright strike for that. Everybody know that song. That's why I'm trying to talk over. You feel me? I'm good, bro. Oh, I'm cool. Thank you, though. I'm good. I'm good. Like I said, man, y'all see how many times you get solicited just walking minding your own business. We were less than 5 minutes into this video, and your boy's already been propositioned for everything from trips to massages, man. On them boats. Oh, I'm good, man. Thank you, though. Look at this. This is a dope ass little display right here. Boracay Island, man. Casa Pilar. That's where I ate earlier. SGK Eats. Safety. Going to the souvenir shop, y'all.
Matapos na rin. Mga nakakalam ng location.
This market, my friends, is okay.
Alibaba, sir? Old Alibaba?